Here we are with an Iveco Daily full review. We've just kitted out this van. When it arrived with us, it was just a plain white van, but we fitted loads of accessories externally and internally. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour. If you walk down here, you can see we've had the full graphics done for the customer on the side. There's a work light on this side. There's even one on the opposite side of the van so that they can see, they get a full 180 illumination. If we come around the back here and you'll have a look up top, you'll see that there's the beacon, R65 highways rated, and another 2 work lamps. We've got the chapter 8 graphics on the front, on the rear to illuminate that in low light settings, and we've got the tow step here. This tow step has not only got additional reversing sensors, you can remove that out, and there is the towing eye, ball and pin as well. It's got 13 pin electrics. This has also got a reversing alarm on that for extra safety. So let's go around and have a look in the cab. So additionally in here you'll see where we've fitted all the switches. We've got independently switched side working light, rear working light, and the beacons there too, really accessible for the driver. Now if I turn on the ignition, everything should wake up, and bang, we've got a full-on reversing camera on here. Now this one's wired up to be on all the time the ignition's on, so when they're towing trailers it acts as an additional rear view mirror. And actually if I put it into reverse here now, he said, once it's started, apart from that annoying pinging noise, you can hear, if you just go out there, you'll hear the reverse. Oh, actually I'm on mic, so you might not be able to hear it, but the reversing's going as well. So there we go, that's everything in the cab here. Under here, really accessible. We've got all the electrics that we've put in here, all the fuses. That's for all of the lights and everything in the back. Now I'm going to come around there, we're going to go in the back of the van. So as you can see here, we've got a full stack of drawers. These are really easy access for quick use parts. There's a shelf up here, so you're not constantly in and out of the van. Up over here, we've got the first of 2 light switches. That gives us full illumination inside. Under here, we've got space here for some of the customers' larger items that are going to fit under here, and some load securing points. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That can all be, everything could be strapped into there. We've got an additional 2 shelves with some drop fronts in there, and if you come in here a little bit further, you'll see more drop front shelves and a little cupboard here. Now this little cupboard is a nice way to secure little bits and bobs. It's not a full security cabinet, but it will keep stuff safe in there. This space here in particular is to take a couple of jerry cans, a couple of fuel cans, so they can be going there. They can be strapped in as well. Yeah, going back here, we've got more drop fronted shelves, and you can see all of the lighting that's in here as well. Now let's just go around and open up the back doors. So you'll see we've got full lightweight linings on here. These polyurethane linings and floor, these are extremely lightweight and hard wearing. They help keep the overall weight of the vehicle down. In here is a nice little shelving area for shovels, picks, axes, all the stuff the customer uses for groundwork. They can be strapped into these strapping points here once you've got the eyes in there. There is even a strapping pack there, nicely fitted, and a couple of handles to be able to get in and out. This side here is for PPE, so they can hang up their clothing, put their boots underneath, and they're easy to be able to take the mats out and give it a good clean. And just over here, you won't be able to see it, is a second switch for the lighting, so it means that if you're working out the back of the vehicle, you don't have to walk all the way around to the front to be able to switch it on. Up in here we've got the boxes, which you can store all sorts of different components in. That is, in fact I'll show you both of those. We've got a narrow one and a thicker one. These also come with extra dividers as well. Lining kits throughout. Thank you. You can see there's loads going on with this van. It's very specific to this customer, but that is what we at Whitebox do best. We work with customers to give them exactly what they want and what they need. Hopefully you like this. Please give us a thumbs up or a subscribe. Thank you.